Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most detailed and honest reviews of the latest cars, trucks, and everything on wheels. Today, we're looking at a vehicle that's been a staple in the commercial and passenger van segment for years, the 2025 GMC Savana van. Is this classic workhorse still worth it in today's modern van market? Let's find out. GMC has kept the Savana true to its roots, rugged, reliable, and built for work. But has it evolved enough to compete with modern rivals like the Ford Transit and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter? Let's dive into the details. The 2025 GMC Savana maintains its traditional boxy design, which, while not the most stylish, is all about function. It's available in cargo and passenger configurations, making it a great option for businesses and large families alike. The front end remains simple but tough, with large headlights and a durable grille. Inside, don't expect luxury, but you do get a functional and durable cabin. The layout is straightforward, with large controls that are easy to use, even with gloves on. There's a basic infotainment system with a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, but it still feels old school compared to competitors. Seating is available for up to 15 passengers in the extended model, and the cargo variant offers plenty of room for tools, equipment, or deliveries. When it comes to power, the 2025 Savana offers multiple engine choices. The standard 4.3-liter V6 produces 276 horsepower and 298 lb-ft of torque, while the available 6.6-liter V8 cranks out 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. If you need serious towing capacity, this is the one to go for. It also comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which gets the job done but feels a bit dated compared to the 10-speed transmissions in some rivals. On the road, the Savana feels sturdy and predictable. The steering is heavy, but that's expected from a big van. Ride quality is decent for a work van, but don't expect it to glide over rough roads like a luxury SUV. Visibility is great, and maneuvering in tight spaces is manageable with the available rear-view camera and parking sensors. If you need a van for heavy-duty work, the 2025 Savana delivers. It has a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, making it a solid choice for hauling trailers or equipment. The cargo version offers a spacious 283.6 cubic feet of storage, while the passenger model can handle up to 15 people comfortably. One area where the Savana does feel outdated is safety technology. While it comes with basic features like lane, departure warning, forward collision alert, and blind spot monitoring, it lacks the advanced driver assistance tech found in newer competitors. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 GMC Savana starts at around $40,000 for the base cargo model, while the fully loaded passenger version can go past $50,000. It's more affordable than some high-tech rivals, but it also lacks their modern features. So, is the 2025 GMC Savana the right van for you? If you're looking for modern technology and luxury, you might want to check out the competition. But if you need a reliable, powerful, and capable work van with proven performance, the Savana is still a solid choice. What do you think about the 2025 GMC Savana? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels, and I'll see you in the next one.